Welcome to our quick look at the BYD Atto 3, a compact electric vehicle that's redefining urban mobility. In the video, we'll uncover its standout design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly performance. At first glance, the Atto 3 captivates with its modern, aerodynamic design. Curve and detail is meticulously crafted, not only for stunning looks, but to enhance efficiency and performance on the road. Step inside and discover a world of innovation. The cabin blends comfort with advanced tech. A digital dashboard, intuitive controls, and smart connectivity features keep you informed and entertained. Whether it's your daily commute or a weekend getaway, the Atto 3 ensures every drive is a pleasure. Under the hood, the Atto 3 is powered by an efficient electric drivetrain that delivers a quiet, yet exhilarating performance. With an impressive range and fast-charging capability, it's built to keep up with your busy lifestyle while reducing your carbon footprint. Safety is paramount. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems and smart safety features, the Atto 3 is designed to protect you and your loved ones, making every journey as secure as it is smooth. The BYD Atto 3 isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Stylish, smart, and sustainable, it's ready to transform your daily drive. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest in electric mobility.